And greetings from Myersville, Maryland, my friends, for yet another Estate Max estate sale. Yes, we are on this really cool 7-acre property in Myersville, Maryland. Most of what you see in this video is for sale. It's a special 4-day sale. Not open Saturday this time, only open Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, starting on the 9th. But what you see here is largely for sale, including this trailer. It's a real heavy-duty trailer, including the Cub Cadet, including the club car, but not the ATV, this hauling device, zero-turn Toro, plexiglass basketball outfit, some tow-behind gear for ATVs, full barn. We have barnwood, we have rototiller machine, that's a big rototiller machine, power edger, barnwood, we have barnwood for sale, miscellaneous pallets, gas tanks, some sleds, some outdoor equipment, some patio equipment, miscellaneous barn stuff. There's a gun safe there and a ladder. We'll give you a quick tour. A ton of stuff here. This is just a quick tour of the sale. We'll take you up to the house next. Again, Steve with Estate Max here, continuation of the video. Again, enter at the side door in this beautiful 25-year-old custom-built house with a 3-car garage and a barn. Most everything you see in this video is for sale, with a few exceptions. We're facing the backyard now. We're walking in through the side door. The patio furniture you see here is for sale, and everything on this little deck and gazebo. There you go. Now we're going to go inside. Entering now through the center of the great room, you will not believe the breadth of the items that you see here, from American Girl dolls to Christmas scenarios to trinkets from 30 years of world travel, collectibles, curios. Everything you see here is for sale and priced to go. Again, this is a special 4-day sale. Reminder, not open Saturday. Shop Thursday, 10 a.m. for best selection of everything that you see here. It's easy to find, right next to Myersville. Off of Old Route 40, you're going to take Churchill Road. Super easy to find, worth the trip. Here's the information from Estate Max. We also have information on estatesales.net and estatesales.org. Those are real cannons and real medals from the First World War, by the way. Those are the medals. It's a World War I helmet. And cannon is real. Cannonballs and artifacts you see are real. Wait till you see the basement. We have incredible Indian artifacts in the basement at Estate Max here. Here's the library room. Tons of books, tons of artwork. We have medical books, free reading books and novels. Very great collection of titles. It's worth a trip here just to see the kids' books and the adults' books, which are throughout the house. The house is so big, there are actually 2 full apartments built into the basement, and we have all the contents of those apartments for sale as well. So it's worth a drive. Bring a truck, bring a friend. Here's another scan of what's going on in the great room. Love that tall ship up there. Vintage electronics, from Royal typewriters to antique and ancient original video equipment, old bottles, Christmas equipment, old glassware, some colored glass, rose glass. Videos, DVDs, tons of decor, tons of decor. Here's the Christmas I was telling you about. Some costume jewelry. Look at this old toaster. That's a toaster, believe it or not. The kitchen and garage are fully loaded. This is the pantry off the back of the kitchen. Here's the garage. Again, this is a 3-car garage. Not a single square inch is left open. Everything you see here is for sale. A lot of this is a make an offer zone. Just make an offer on anything you're interested in. We hardly ever say no. By the way, that freezer and refrigerator are in great shape. They're both for sale. From bricks to construction equipment. We're downstairs now in the apartment area. By appointment, make an appointment with Laura, you can see the artifacts in this room, including Indian arrowheads from New Jersey, very famous collections, being sold as a lot, including things like old swords, old knives, bayonets, again, arrowheads, stone tools, axes, statues. These are old stone artifacts. These are museum quality pieces, many of them. Being sold as a lot, again, call Lori Zook to make an appointment to see these. Definitely worth the drive to see these alone. These beautiful tables, these antique airplanes, some World War I paraphernalia, more cowboy stuff, Indian pottery artifacts. Again, there's a lot of stuff here. Worth the drive to see this alone. Call Lori Zook to make an appointment. Here's the downstairs great room. A lot of interesting stuff here. Again, we're open starting Thursday, Friday. Then we're open Sunday, Monday, closed Saturday. Check back to estatesales.org, estatesales.net for Myersville, Maryland to get the correct address and directions. Any questions, call Steve, 240-457-7097, so we can talk you in if we need to. Hopefully we have enough video space to check out the upstairs where we have kids' toys. We also have a full furnished apartment, 2 full furnished apartments downstairs. So here's just a quick look at it. So we have a total of 3 kitchens in this house. A lot of furniture, picture frames, strong boxes, a lot of tables, curio cabinets. How about that wood barrier? That's a really nice wood piece. Carved wood folding wall. Couple nice barrister bookcases hiding in here. One needs a little work. Again, this is apartment number 2 downstairs. That's a beautiful piece there. Give you a quick look around. Oh, that organ is really nice too. Really nice player piano organ. Some electronics, lamps.